Hey guys, Mike Wagan here, mikewagan.com, and in this video we will be taking a look at one of the more recently launched Shopify stores from a very famous YouTuber, Jose Zuniga of Teachingmensfashion. Now he has launched a brand called ESNTLS. Basically all the products are about essentials for men. As you can see, the products are all apparel, just basic shirt, long sleeves, and even pants. Now, we're taking a look at the homepage, and one thing that I've noticed is that there are no exit intent opt-in sign-up forms that are implemented. Basically, this can be implemented easily with a Shopify app called Privy. So this is to capture emails from visitors. It's very easy to get their emails and email market them, send them offers occasionally, since this brand is from a very known a celebrity, you can say, or a very well-known influencer, and it's easy to get their emails, the visitors' emails. So that's one thing that they can already implement right now. Go into the Shopify App Store and search for the Privy app, Privy, implement that and get the customers' emails or just the visitors' emails and give them an incentive, give them a discount code, just get their email and be able to email market to this visitor, to these visitors. Another thing that I have noticed is that their social media links down here are not linked. Probably they're still working on it, but definitely this should be linked already. They can also implement an Instagram feed down here. I usually put those types of Instagram feeds on, especially brands that have a very good following on Instagram and have very good visuals, very good images already posted on Instagram that can definitely help them grow their Instagram account and also market on that platform. So Jose already has a lot of images on his Instagram account. Definitely I think they're working already on their Instagram account for the Essentials brand. Definitely they can implement it easily. The plugin that or the Shopify app that they can check out on the Shopify App Store is the InstaFeed, INSTA feed, InstaFeed. So there's a free plan for that. Very easy to integrate as well. So let's check out their categories or collections page. Here we'll just check on the t-shirts line. They have a couple of varieties here. Maybe what I can recommend is put a badge here if this is their top recommended, or maybe this is their best seller. That can also increase your conversion rates and your average order value. One thing that I noticed is that some of the products show in an opaque look, which means they are sold out. So maybe on the categories page already, they can have that badge already that it is already sold out, so that it is already clear to the customer. So let's check out the Essential Black V-neck tee. So this is how their product page looks. It's pretty good already, as I can see on the desktop view, but let's check it out on the mobile view, since usually the orders come in mobile also. From my experience, 50% of orders come from mobile visitors. As you can see here that their product images are not aligned properly, so that needs to get fixed also. This is pretty good. They have some recommendations for other products that you'd like to check out. Okay, they have a sizing guide. What happens when you click that? It will show you the chart of the sizes. Alright. By the way, we're checking this natively on the Google Chrome built-in inspect tool. You can check the sizes of the screen here. So this is for iPhone 5, 6, up to 8 Plus, up to iPhone X, and iPad Pro. This is very helpful and doesn't cost you a bit. Now selecting size, it's okay to use a drop down. They also have an accordion style of showing additional information about the orders, and you can add to cart. One thing that I noticed is that there is no selection of how many t-shirts would you want to order. It already assumes that you want one, just one. But if you have seen a couple of their videos, if they are, if Jose is sporting this or promoting his brand, basically he wants you to get more of a basic tee or an essential t-shirt, since if it fits you pretty good, then you'll want to have a couple of that rotating on your wardrobe. So that definitely can increase your average order value if they have an option to select 1, 2 or more t-shirts at one order. Also, we can also go with bundling t-shirts that have different colors. If they want a v-neck tee, then we can definitely have some kind of bundle here. There's a lot of Shopify apps right now that are capable of setting up bundles. It's very easy. So you can bundle the black with the white or with an green v-neck tee. If the customer prefers v-neck or the customer prefers a round neck, then offer them a bundle with all the round neck tee colors in size large or whatever their size is. Let's try to add this one to cart. Okay, let's try to add one v-neck tee to the cart. Alright, so I already added one earlier, but I did notice also that there is no upsell. So what is an upsell? An upsell is when you click on the add to cart button, it shows up a pop-up that it's more of an offer. Would you like another tee? V-neck tee? Would you like to try out a round tee? Would you like to try out Henley? Would you like to try out a matching pants, matching jogger? That can definitely be implemented as well, and it will also increase your average order value. Just check out the Shopify App Store for upsells. We can also enhance this cart page a bit more, add in some more text here to increase the customer confidence in checking out, and probably a guarantee or testimonial from other customers. Yeah, so that's also one thing to add definitely on the product page is the customer testimonials if they haven't implemented it already. The customer reviews app is made by Shopify. You can definitely add that easily on your template. Another Shopify app that I recommend is FOMO, FOMO, meaning Jose definitely knows this acronym, the fear of missing out. The FOMO app is a Shopify app that showcases customers' photos or reviews on the product page. So you can add that app, and it also encourages other customers to add their own customer reviews. Definitely that can be added here. So let's just try to check out. Also, let's try to go back to the desktop view. Okay, we are now in the desktop view, and let's assume that we will already be checking out. Now this checkout page on most of the Shopify stores is not highly customizable, but there are a lot of apps where you are able to add some elements here on the checkout page to increase more conversions and increase more average order value. Definitely check those apps in the Shopify App Store, where you can have a countdown timer here regarding the expiration of the cart that you are checking out. So that can also increase the conversion rate and reduce the abandonment cart rates. Okay, so assume we will be putting in our email here, but we will abandon this cart. I've already tried it out, and I did see that their email for abandoned cart is just the default one that is built into the Shopify plan. Definitely, it can still be improved by the first step is customizing the text in there. So it just says that you left an item in your cart. Doesn't say the brand. It doesn't say anything specific to the ESNTLS brand or ESNTLS voice. What I recommend is use the Klaviyo app. It is an email marketing platform as a whole, but it is available on the Shopify App Store, and it is very easy to implement. So basically, it can take care of all your email marketing for Shopify. Klaviyo has email flows built in already that you can easily implement. Just click on those automations or those flows, customize them. I have a video of it. I'll try to link it on the description down below. So definitely Jose and the Zunigas can implement Klaviyo and the automatic email flows to increase their abandonment cart conversions. And also it has some other flows too, like getting customer reviews, getting win-back emails. So that's encouraging previous customers who haven't purchased again in a while, emailing them back, or even emailing them on their birthdays. So that's how you take care of your customers. Speaking of taking care of customers, I haven't seen any easy way to contact their customer support. Right? There are no phone numbers. There are no live chats. The contact form is not even on their main menu. This is their support, email support. Now, one thing to remember is that converting customers also require customer support. Definitely, you can implement a phone number here. Check out the Grasshopper phone number service, or try to implement a live chat here, maybe a Facebook live button here where your customers can chat on your Facebook page, since Facebook has chatbots available also, where you can set up automated answers for most of your customer queries. You can also implement a live chat app if you'd like to get hands-on with your customers who are asking. I recommend the Zendesk chat app or the Drip app. So basically just search on the Shopify App Store for live chat apps. Definitely that can improve your branding and Shopify site more, and the return of investment and your conversions will definitely increase. Hopefully, the ESNTLS brand owners, Jose Zuniga and his teammates, can check out this video so that it's definitely helpful for their brand. I mean, I've been seeing his videos a lot, and it has been helping me. Definitely, you can tag him on this video so that it's just like I'm just giving it back to him and his group, right? Okay, thanks guys, and yeah, definitely tag Jose Zuniga. Hopefully you're viewing this and implement all those improvements, since they are very easy to implement. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And if you are into Shopify and e-commerce, subscribe to this channel to get more tips and tricks about Shopify marketing, conversion optimization, and everything involved with e-commerce. Thanks guys, and see you on the next video.